name is Dylan from Dylan Daily, and I'm here to give you your 18th dose of inspiration. Now, today that was my little brother farting. Well, he always gets to add some comedy.
Oh, there's a wolf!
Yeah, there's a wasp at the fan. But
Be careful, Mom.
I was
Eating
rolling in
you.
a puddle that formed on our property, and me and my mom, we thought, or no, I thought
Be careful, Mom. Eating you, Mom.
that nature is the greatest entertainer. Kind of rhymes, but it's still inspirational.
Oh, my butt. My butt, Mom. You got my butt.
So yeah, I just thought that was awesome. That was really cool. And I thought, well, I have a little enclosed area in my property, and I thought I'd add in, hey, well, people, I think that nature is the greatest entertainer because, well, I mean, nature gives you swimming pools, ponds. They give you little wading pools, puddles. I'm just trying to think of already man-created things that nature gives. So, yeah. It gives you, I'm looking at the trees and saying it gives you some kind of shelter because rain, you go under, you barely get any rain. Predator, you can climb the tree, easy as that.
We're talking about fun right now, though.
Yeah,
Entertainment.
sorry, got a little bit sidetracked. Water guns can be hoses.
Yeah, that's cool.
If you like this video, please subscribe to join Team Redeem. And if you want to see more Dylan Dailies, leave a like and a comment in the comment section below. Make it a great day.